We're going to talk tonight about what happens if you get hit by a car while riding your bicycle. It is the law and you here on Eyewitness News with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath, who is here for Ed. Nice to see you guys again.
Great to see you, Dave.
So we know it's still the summer season. We know people are still outdoors. And what if this happens? Our question tonight features someone who was hit by a car while bicycling. Scott in Sunbury says, I was riding my bicycle, ran a stop sign, and then got hit by a car and broke my leg. Police say it's my fault. Do I have a case against the driver? And I guess, Harry, the caveat here, the catch is, it sounds like the bicyclist went through the stop sign, not the car. Does that matter?
It definitely matters, Scott. You know, when you're riding a bicycle, some people don't realize this, but you're required to follow what we call the rules of the road. The same rules that apply to somebody who's driving an automobile apply to somebody who's on their bicycle. So the fact that there is a police officer who's indicated that you ran the stop sign, that could be an issue for you. It's not dispositive when you look at these situations. Sometimes there is an argument to be made that there could have been some culpability on the part of the other driver, but at the outset, I'd have to say it's not looking great. Greg, what do you think?
I agree, because, I mean, it's very clear that bicyclists must follow the rules of the road. Stop signs, lights, signaling, proper lane of travel, you know, all that stuff is what matters, because you know, the cars and the bikes have to interact together, and a lot of people, you know, a lot of drivers don't think that's the way it is, and bicyclists sometimes don't. So I think a lot of times understanding the rules of the road before you get on the bike is very important. And you know, there's a manual with all the rules, examples. I really encourage anybody who's going to be doing a lot of biking to read it. They're available. We actually have them at our office. If you want them, we can get you one. And the other thing too is with bicyclists, you know, make sure you're wearing the proper safety stuff, the helmets, the color, because that helps everybody see you. Color is one of the most important things, because you know, that's a big signal to everybody. So just a couple tips on that too.
And still a lot of good weather left for the season, so a lot of bicyclists, good things to keep in mind. Don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. Good to see you guys tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law New Hotline are always there for you.